If you've been hearing about the Rev Float car, you're probably wondering if it's actually worth the hype. Let's find out. The Rev Float car is one of those vehicles that instantly grabs attention. Its futuristic design makes it look like something from the future. But looks alone don't make a great vehicle. The real question is how it performs in everyday use. One thing many people like is its smooth driving experience. The handling feels stable, especially on normal city roads. It also offers modern technology, including a digital dashboard and smart driving features that make daily trips more convenient. Comfort is another strong point. The seats are supportive and the cabin feels spacious for most passengers. If you spend a lot of time driving, that's definitely a welcome bonus. However, it's not perfect. Since this is still a newer vehicle, long-term reliability is something buyers should keep in mind. Replacement parts and servicing may also be less common than with more established brands depending on where you live. Price is another factor. The Rev Float car may cost more than some traditional alternatives. Whether that's worth it depends on how much you value its modern features and unique design. If you're someone who enjoys trying new technology and wants a vehicle that stands out, the Rev Float car could be an exciting option. But if you prefer something with a long track record and a large service network, you may want to compare it with other vehicles before making a decision. So, is the Rev Float car worth buying in 2026? For many drivers, the answer could be yes. It offers impressive technology, a comfortable ride, and a fresh design that turns heads. Still, it's important to consider the price, maintenance, and long-term ownership costs before making your final choice.